Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create the comic strip option of your visual representation of a day in the life of quarantine. So here we are on Canva. If you're watching this video, it's probably because this is the route that you're considering or that you've chosen. Remember, you can create a comic strip with materials that you have at home, and that's totally acceptable and fine. I just wanted to create a digital option for you guys, so here's what you can do. Go to canva.com, of course, and then what I did is I just typed in comic strip, and there's actually some templates that come up, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Now, I went ahead and I just click on blank here. Now, I've already started one, and so I wanted to show you what I've already started, so I'm going to flip to a different screen. But I started with this template right here, okay, this funny getting in shape one. I just like the colors of it, so, okay, so I've already modified it just by deleting some of these little characters and elements on it, and I changed the title to A Day in the Life of Quarantine. Okay, so another thing that I've chosen to do to show you is on the left side, I'm going to, oops, let's put it up here. I'm going to write before, as in before quarantine. Okay, make this maybe a little bit smaller. Let's do 42. Let's make it a fun color. Let's do blue. And I don't know if I like it. Maybe this one. Fun. That one's fun. Okay, I'm just going to stick it here for now. I'm probably going to edit that later. Okay, so we have the before. Copy right over here. I'm going to write, let's get it lined up. There we go. Oh, that's not lined up. I need to fix that. Canva can be a little tricky. There we go. Okay, before and after. Okay, so I was thinking, okay, how has my life changed in quarantine? The most obvious, I think, is the time that we wake up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search in elements. I've already typed them in, as you can see. I typed in bed to find someone sleeping in bed. Okay, just pretend that's me. Okay, so I'm sleeping. And then, before quarantine, I was getting up pretty early to come see you guys, student teaching. And so, I don't know if I like this text box. So I'm going to type in speech bubble. Which one do I like? Kind of like this one. Let's go with that. Okay. Speech bubble. Maybe I'll flip this. Can I flip it? Oh, I can flip it. Flip horizontal. Oh, how fun is that? Okay. Flip. And then we'll do this. Okay. Nice. This is what I want. So, now I'm going to add some text for the speech bubble in my first panel. Again, so this first column here will be my before quarantine. I guess I shouldn't say after. I should say during quarantine. Okay, let me fix that. My bad. Okay, during quarantine. Okay, anyways, I'm going to go back to the speech bubble now. I'm going to write something in there. Now before, I was getting up kind of early. I'm going to say 6 o'clock already. This is so early. Pinnacle of humor right here. Okay, so I'm going to make it smaller so it'll fit. Maybe even make it 2 lines. Maybe that'll help. Okay. That doesn't look exactly the way I want it, but that's okay. So now what I'm going to do in the during, I'm going to copy this, paste it, and move a little sleeping Miss Pennington right there. And then we'll do the speech bubble, copy, paste, Here we go. I'm going to copy this because I'm going to be saying something similar. Going to say, instead of 6 o'clock, I'm going to say 8 o'clock already. This is so early. I'm getting up between 8 and 9, so that's why I'm saying that. Okay. Does this make any sense to you guys? The before and the during. Another way that quarantine is kind of changed too, you can think about maybe like your eating habits. I know in the one poem, the calories don't count during the pandemic, was kind of like a joke. So maybe that would be an interesting panel, what your eating routine was like before quarantine and now what it's like during quarantine. Okay, so now to get into kind of some of the requirements that I would like you guys to have, think about how many panels that you want. So right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and I was like, that is just not enough to demonstrate what your day is like. So what I would like you to do is at least have 8. So all I did was, so I'm going to delete this just to show you how I did it. All I did to duplicate this page was click on this one, copy page. Okay, so then you have 4 more panels, and you already have, if you're doing the before and during kind of structure, then you already have this here. I just have to delete this and replace it with what other elements in text and pictures I wanted to put. So there's a lot of opportunity for you to be creative with this process, so I really encourage you guys to run with this, have fun with this. Yeah, I'm just really excited to see what you guys make. Let me know if you have any questions. I'd love to help.